Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna do healthy, tasty and quick vegetable salad. This is a very basic salad which is something different from our routine salads with simple tips. So let's start. Firstly, I have taken all these vegetables: cucumber, radish, carrot, tomato, onion, beetroot and half lemon. Now take a plate. One by one arrange all the cucumber pieces as I am showing in the video. After cucumber, I am arranging carrot. And now radish. And then tomato. And onion. Now finally beetroot. Now these are the simple tips which makes difference from our normal salad plate. Let's see. Now I am sprinkling some salt and black pepper powder, half lemon juice, and some finely chopped coriander. Now our tasty salad is ready. This salad helps you as a healthy diet, or also you can serve it for your dinner as a salad plate. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe for G Home Cooks for many more videos. Thank you.